Great, it's Wednesday the 24th of May. We are at Karlstad Cathedral, my namesake, funny enough. Excuse my voice, it's gone a little bit hoarse today. It has those moments with the old dicky tickies and all the throat and stuff. But needless to say, we are at Karlstad Cathedral. What a beautiful cathedral. It was originally here since 1312 CE, and then it was rebuilt as a cathedral in 1647 CE by Queen Christina. Now we know that she was around between 1640 and 1689. But let me just show you around to one of the pieces as we go down. It's got great significance to me, great relevance to me, and that's why I'm so glad we were able to gain access through a tradesman entrance, as it were. The main doors where the cathedral is normally open, down the bottom, they're actually closed, and we managed to gain a little access over here, which is lovely. Wonderful pulpits. I love the top part. I don't know how much you can just pan back for a second just to see. I love the little roses on here as well. There's a great significance to that. When we get around the other side, I'll show you more of this pulpit and what's actually on the top on the roof, which is of great significance too. Here at the altar, we might do it first. An amazing marble altar, and this is particularly of interest to me. We just travel around here a bit. So you go to some cathedrals and they're full of really ancient stuff, really old. This one's really modern, but it's still got that beautiful feel about it. And I just love all the details. I mean, look at the bed over to the left-hand side here, great detail on that. Absolutely amazing. And it's all made out of pottery and different pieces of metal, which is quite nice, and then obviously coloured. But absolutely beautiful piece. What I like to do about isn't it absolutely gorgeous? I love the design, I love the trinket, I love everything about it really, for a multitude of reasons. But it's nicely positioned where it is, that is for certain. When we look at this part here, I'll just come around a little bit. Yeah, we can see we've got the circle of life there in the middle. We've got 4 columns. We've got the third column symbol at the bottom. You can see another representation of the third column. For those of you out there will know what the third column truly means. Up here, I quite like the fact that sort of begging almost, which is a little bit interesting there, but this one's more flirtatious over onto this side, which is quite interesting. Now, are they male or are they female? At first glance, you'd think they're female, but I think you'll find they're both male in respect. I love the fact that we've got the gold dish above from the Last Supper, if we look at that, right up to the top there. And if we just pan around to the right-hand side, we can see the grail itself there, the sangria, which is quite nice. So the Last Supper and the wine. Lovely. So there's not so many older pieces in here. There's enough significance in this beautiful cathedral, which I would prefer to place in the temple. I love the way it's lined out as it goes. Very nice indeed. And we've got the shape of an equilateral cross, obviously, for the entire place. So, just to bring you up to here, to the top part now, which I want. This is the last piece I really want to show you here. It's only a short little video on this one. We can see that part at the top there. Great symbology there, the inner section and the outer section of that. I'm going to leave it to you to work out what the significance of that is. I won't be sharing it, that's for certain. So, yeah, but great. So, and I love the way that we've got little ships around. 2 little ships there, levitating, which I think is quite interesting. So, yeah, Wednesday the 24th of May.